Fire trucks. Large blower fire truck. The large blower fire truck helps firefighters maintain visibility and safety while combating fires, especially in enclosed spaces like buildings and tunnels. Ladder fire truck. The ladder fire truck is primarily used in situations where elevated access is necessary, such as rescuing people from high floors of buildings, accessing rooftops, and directing water streams from a height to control fires. Its extendable ladder and robust design make it an essential tool for modern firefighting efforts. Water cutter fire truck. The water cutter fire truck is primarily used in scenarios where precision and speed are crucial. The high-pressure water cutter can cut through walls, doors, and other barriers, enabling rapid entry and rescue. This technology is particularly useful in situations where traditional tools may be too slow or ineffective. Pumper fire engine. Pumper is a type of fire truck primarily designed to transport firefighters and equipment to the scene of an emergency. Its key feature is a powerful water pump, then delivers this water at high pressure through hoses to extinguish fires. Pumper are equipped with various firefighting tools and safety gear. Mobile lighting vehicle. A mobile lighting vehicle is a specialized vehicle designed to provide portable, high-intensity lighting for emergency scenes, construction sites, and other areas where additional illumination is required. These vehicles are essential for ensuring safety and visibility in low light conditions, enabling effective operations. Aerial platform fire truck. An aerial fire truck is a fire truck equipped with an extendable ladder or platform designed to reach high places. Aerial platform fire trucks are crucial for accessing tall buildings, performing high-angle rescues, and providing elevated streams of water to combat fires effectively. Super Ranger Mobility Towing Work Vehicle. The Super Ranger Mobility Towing Work Vehicle is a robust and versatile vehicle designed for heavy-duty towing and various work applications. It boasts a powerful towing capacity, enabling it to haul large vehicles and equipment with ease. Its all-terrain mobility ensures that it can navigate rough and uneven surfaces, making it ideal for challenging environments. All-Terrain Vehicle Red Salamander. The All-Terrain Vehicle Red Salamander is like the superhero of off-road vehicles. It's built tough to handle any rough terrain you throw at it. Perfect for emergency crews and rescue missions, it gets where other vehicles can't, making it a real lifesaver in tricky situations. It is ideal for emergency services and tough terrain navigation, ensuring reliable operation in critical situations. Firefighting Robot System, Scrum Force. The Firefighting Robot System, Scrum Force, is an advanced technological solution designed to enhance firefighting capabilities. Robots that can enter hazardous environments, assess fires, and deploy firefighting tactics autonomously. These robots, equipped with advanced sensors and tools, are designed to navigate through smoke and debris, making them invaluable in situations too dangerous for humans. The Scrum Force system ensures swift response and enhances overall firefighting efficiency, ultimately saving lives and protecting property with cutting-edge robotic precision. Rescue Work Vehicle. The Rescue Work Vehicle is your go-to hero for tough jobs. It's designed for all sorts of rescue missions, from pulling vehicles out of sticky situations to reaching remote places in emergencies. This vehicle is tough as nails and equipped with everything needed to get the job done swiftly and safely. Fire Chief Car. The Fire Chief Car is the commander's wheels of the firefighting world. It's not just a vehicle. It's a mobile command center equipped with all the tools and communication gear needed to lead firefighting operations. From directing crews at the scene to coordinating with other emergency services, this car ensures that everything runs smoothly during emergencies. Fire Bureau Base Functional Formable Truck. The Fire Bureau Base Functional Formable Truck is a versatile vehicle designed for various firefighting tasks. It's like a customizable toolbox on wheels for firefighters, equipped to handle different emergency scenarios. From carrying equipment to providing command and control functions, this truck is crucial in ensuring effective response and coordination during firefighting operations. Hyper Mist Blower. The Hyper Mist Blower is a cutting-edge firefighting tool that uses a powerful mist to quickly extinguish fires. It's like a supercharged sprayer that blasts out fine mist, covering fires effectively and swiftly. This high-tech device is essential for firefighters, helping them to tackle flames efficiently and keep communities safe. Airport Crash Tender. An airport crash tender is like the heavy-duty superhero of fire trucks. It's specially designed to handle emergencies at airports, equipped with powerful water cannons and foam systems to quickly extinguish aircraft fires. These trucks are built tough, with reinforced chassis and large capacities for water and foam, ensuring they can tackle even the most intense fires effectively. Hello Car.
よろしくお願いします。